In the early hours of February 5, 2026, the Portland Police Bureau's Special Emergency Reaction Team, SERT, gathered outside apartment 1005 at 1620 Northwest 14th Avenue. They weren't just serving a warrant on a common criminal. They were hunting a man who had spent months constructing a dangerous, alternate reality. His name was Erik Sherrer, a 57-year-old resident of the Pearl District. To his neighbors, he was just another face in the high-rise. But to the U.S. Secret Service and the Portland Police, he was a ticking time bomb. The investigation began 5 days earlier, on January 31st, at a Safeway grocery store on Northwest Lovejoy Street. Sherrer approached two uniformed security guards, flashed a passport, not a badge, and claimed he was a Secret Service agent hunting for fake security guards. What happened next moved this file from a mental health concern to a high-priority threat. Sherrer pulled a handgun, pointed it at a guard's chest, and pulled the trigger. The gun misfired. In the ensuing scuffle, Sherrer fled, leaving behind a guitar case. Inside that case, detectives found a loaded 12-gauge Mossberg shotgun. But it was the ammo that revealed Sherrer's true state of mind. Each shotgun shell was marked with red ink, carrying a chilling message: Trump is dead meat.
Erik, if you don't do what we say, force will be used against you. You're being audio and video recorded. Erik, if you want to talk, call 911. Come out with your hands up and empty. If you don't do what we say, force will be used against you.
Sherrer had transformed his living space into a tactical fortress. He refused to communicate. He didn't just ignore the police, he actively countered them. When officers attempted to fly a drone into his apartment to get a visual on his position, Sherrer, acting with cold precision, knocked it out of the air and rendered it inoperable. Why did he refuse to come out? The forensic evidence found after the shooting tells a story of total psychological isolation. His walls were covered in printed photos and tactical plans. He wasn't just hiding. He was waiting for a war he believed was already happening. He had barricaded the fire exit stairwell with painter's poles and interconnected handcuffs, attempting to control every entry point to his floor. He believed his Secret Service persona gave him the authority to hold his ground against what he saw as fake authorities.
Erik, let me see your hands! Erik, let me see your hands! Erik, let me see your hands! Come out with your hands! Point a gun at me! Point the gun at me! I'm good. You good? Drop the gun, Erik! Drop the gun, Erik! Drop the gun, Erik! I got two. Hey, he's good. Erik, drop the gun! Where's the gun, Charlie? It's underneath his left side. Take the stairwell team. He's down. Charlie, you good? Yeah, I'm great. I can't. I'll keep my rifle. It's right there. Can we see him? I can see him. I can see him. He's not. I'm going to turn this off. He's underneath them. Charlie, do you see where the gun is? I last saw like a tack light on it, looked like on his left side. I don't see it. I didn't see it to the right when we could see, so I think it's still under him. It looked like a Glock. It was like a Glock semi-auto. It pointed right at me. Yes, I saw it. He's not moving anymore. I'm seeing no sign of life. He's definitely been hit several times.
For nearly an hour, the Crisis Negotiation Team, CNT, used every de-escalation technique in the manual. They offered him person-centered communication. They offered him a safe exit. Sherrer responded with absolute silence. At 5:18 a.m., the order was given to breach. Using a specialized explosive charge, SERT took the door off its hinges, but the barricades Sherrer had built held firm. The standoff reached its breaking point at 6 a.m. Sherrer emerged from the shadows of his apartment, armed with a handgun. He pointed it directly at Detective Charles Asheim, who was positioned behind a mobile shield. In the hallway of a luxury high-rise, the final confrontation took place. 4 shots were fired in quick succession.
Hey, it's the Portland Police. You need to surrender now. Come out to the front door with your hands empty. If you don't comply, chemical irritants and gas may be used. You need to come out now. Erik, show yourself. Come out now. We're not...
Park him! 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 Here. Park him! Park him! Park! Park him!
Take a peg pull and put ourselves in a different position. Just looking at it, I think it's released, but if he has something behind it, like we need to push on something weird.
Eric, it's the police. You're being audio and video recorded.
We have 2 panel shields in there right now. I mean, I think we're comfortable going in there.
Tell me what's going on, Eric. Eric, it's the Portland Police. We're not going away. We need to talk. If you're not going to come out with your hands up, call 911 so we can talk to you. Just know we're not going away, and if you don't come out, we're going to end up using force on you, man. We don't want to do that.
A couple photos.
The dog is ready. Is everyone not ready for this?
Right.
All right. So you think you can pull out?
Josh.
I'm seeing off there. Come out.
Careful. Flashlight. Okay. Oh, they're in my pouch.
Thank you. Thank you. So we're going to have to go to the elevator on the right.
Hold. Hold. Hold, please. Hands, the police. Hold, please. Get back. I'm good. You're good? Stay back. Drop the gun, Erik. Drop the gun, Erik. I got a taser. He's good. He's down. Erik, drop the gun.
The death of Erik Sherrer was officially ruled a justified use of force on February 19, 2026, by the Multnomah County District Attorney. The investigation revealed a man deeply lost in a delusion of federal authority and political violence. While the flashlight in his hand caused a split second of confusion for the officers, the loaded handgun at his feet confirmed the threat was real. As we close this master file, we are left to wonder how a man could live in the heart of a major city while preparing for a tactical war in his living room. The Rose City was safe again, but the footage serves as a permanent record of the dangers hidden behind ordinary apartment doors. Thank you for following this Bureau report. Case 26-35341 is officially closed.